most of the time I've noticed that when people are working on something, when people are studying together.
You have to speak into the microphone, like an ice cream, like an ice cream. Do it like an ice cream.
When it's studying together, when they're doing something together, it's very difficult for them to just, like, in a virtual environment, of course, to not collaborate. I mean, to stay apart and not to have any sort of interaction, because it just doesn't work. So my idea, my team's idea, was to build something that can enable you to, like, move forward, to strive to do better and better every day. I mean, education is all about, like, not just studying. It's more about how you can interact, or how you can share your own things that you absolutely adore. So can we start my...
You want to start the demo right now?
Yes.
Okay, can we start the demo, please?
So we started with the registration. So anyone can just register on this the portal. And it works on iPad, it works on an iPhone. I only had Mac, so I recorded it for that. And we gamified it. So the moment you start it, you choose an avatar. So you don't have to put your picture, so you can be totally anonymous, and you can also interact at the same time. And then we log in. And the moment we are in the system generates graphs for comparing you against yourself, which kind of isn't that efficient at times, but at least it gives you a picture of what exactly are you looking at. And you have trophies, so when you learn something, you can achieve a trophy. And you can have friends right here. And you can compare your statistics with your friends, you can challenge them for courses, and you can add more friends, of course. So this is simple ID, a simple number that BlackBerry used to have, or you can use a QR code to generate these numbers, and just keep on adding friends. Doesn't matter who they are, obviously. I mean, when you start comparing their stats with yourself, you see that what kind of courses they take. Are they into machine learning? Are they inclined more towards data mining? And all of that stuff. So when you look at that, the graph, it's all graphically analyzed. So you can see that they were doing pretty good in this particular month when they were taking these courses. And then, of course, we have courses. So we have machine learning, artificial intelligence, business analytics, and advanced marketing, and all of that stuff. And there's, it's all machine learned. So the more it's open, the more we know that this is, like, pretty much a used thing. And you can, of course, rate it. And it changes based on that as well. So the stars over there actually symbolize that how much this is being used and how much people are watching it. So this is the courses that you took. And that's the score. I failed that one, like, pretty bad. So, you can add more courses, you can take more courses. Obviously, I'm not taking the course right in front of you, but it can be done. You can download the PDF presentation, and then you can, like, take that one as well. And I failed that one too. So, not so smart with mathematics. So now what you can do is we can have certain courses, and you can retake the courses as well. So when you're retaking the course, it improves the intelligence, and you can actually see that happening in the graph. So when we go back to the courses that you took, and thankfully I didn't fail this one, so now you get a trophy based on that. Every time you hit this is an iron trophy. That means I really had really good scores. And these trophies are basically, you can use them, you can share them, you can ask your friends, you can challenge your friends with these trophies. And it's like betting on education. Didn't come out right, well. But what I'm saying is, like, you can use these trophies and you can share that and you can exchange that based on if your friend scores better than you, then he technically takes your trophy. And it's more about interacting, engaging, and doing all sorts of stuff together. But it's technically a game, and it's also learning. So I would call it an evolution of learning.
People matter, results count.